Meet Brian, a new machinist at a high-tech manufacturing firm called Aerotech in Pittsburgh. Brian is a proud graduate of New Century Careers, where he learned how to safely operate lathes, mills, and grinders, read blueprints, and perform precision measuring, where he learned how to grab an opportunity and turn his life around to finally reach financial independence.
I had given up on myself a little bit. I have a past that, that I had to learn from, and be humbled by. And NCC kept believing in me, more or less. And I said, I'll give it a try. But I really didn't believe I'd get a job like this one, the one I love so much. But they taught me how to not focus on my faults, my things I messed up on, but to actually sell what I can do for the company right now. They taught me that detail I needed and how to work with this type of environment. For instance, here I got to read the blueprint, know exactly what I'm doing, pay attention, because blueprints can be very tricky. I love this place because I haven't had money in my bank account like this in a long time. I mean, it's just a whole different life for me. I'm used to like not being very secure, like just moving around doing what I wanted. But now that I'm older, and like I said, I learned a lot about integrity and what's important in life. I mean, they're not just training you on a position, but they're training you on how to approach the employer, how to actually believe in yourself. How they even went as far as like go to helping you to learn how to build a resume. They helped me to clean it up and showed me how to write and actually, show my strong points in it.
When Brian came in, he was very driven. He asked a lot of questions. He did his homework on Aerotech in specific. He was ready for the interview. He brought some of his projects from school. He was very proud of the work that he learned down at NCC, and that showed me that he took this opportunity serious, and that gave him a great opportunity to start his career here at Aerotech.
Brian is a perfect example of what an individual that commits to the program to really better themselves and take full advantage of their time here and learn as many skills as they can when they're with us. Perfect example of an individual that have a really good outcome, i.e. employment, successful employment. He's landed into a great entry-level position, and a lot of those folks that start at the position that he started at have a great opportunity to continue to get additional skills and education on the job. And hopefully someday Brian will be getting into maybe an apprenticeship program, but he's definitely going to have a career path that's just going to go steadily up. We focus on talking about we train and we place, but ultimately we know the ultimate outcome is creating an individual that's going to be a productive member of society.
Well, I can tell you, like I said, I'm buying a house. I'm in the process of buying a house right now. That to me is a miracle. That's to have my own place, to feel that secure, to know that I can afford the payments, that I've already planned how fast I can get it paid off and things of that sort. The fact that I can help my own father now, I can help family, because I'm not begging them to help me now. It's like that to me is my job now. As far as I'm concerned, I'm at that age now where family helped me, friends helped me. Now it's time for me to be able to be available for them and carry my own self. So yeah, this job has definitely done that for me. New Century Careers has definitely done that for me. SNAP has done that for me. They helped me to do that by helping me to get to this job every day on time, and helping me to eat. Because one thing, if your stomach is full, you don't stress about little things like, you can concentrate more on work and things of that sort. So, I can't say enough about New Century Careers, really. Like I said, they seem to believe in me more than I believed in myself.